Great. Noswaith dda. Good evening. It's the draw for the £1,000 in January. Ni ma yn cynno blynyddol Cyngor Cymuned Crymych. We're here in the annual dinner in Llwyn Gwair of Crymych Community Council to do the draw, a monthly draw. But this month, everybody who's in December numbers, it's £1,000 first prize. Well trained. A wedyn, second prize is £50. Iawn, so mae 560 numbers. So the first number out, £1,000. 1,000 o bunnau, a mae'r cyfrifiadur da ni fan hyn. So, beth sydd da ni? Mae fel rhyw bwtwn melyn. So, ni'n mynd i fynd amdani. Cwn i off there. £1,000 number is 519. 519. So, who's 519?
Sally Thomas Crymych.
Sally Thomas Crymych. Sally Llwyncelyn lan gynt. So Sally from Crymych, £1,000. Llongyfarchiadau i fi. And Sally's charity of choice getting half of her monthly due. Yn y coch, what's the Clebran, Papur Bro Clebran is her charity of choice. So na'r £1,000 wedi mynd e, llongyfarchiadau chi Sally. A nesa, for the £50, the number is, gan i wneud e, 281. 281. Gwyneth Evans Hermon, and the lady is here. Dyma hi. So pam sydd wedi cael 1,000 o bunnau? She wished she'd come first, but there we are. £50, better than nothing. Felly, £5 a month. Half of it goes to charity of choice. So in the year, £60 comes in the year, and you choose your charity to get £30 of half of your entry for your year. So when people get 100 people joining in their name, that's a £3,000 for the charity, every 100 names that come in for that charity. Felly dyna ni, diolch yn fawr iawn, a byddwn ni'n nôl wedi ni 100 mis nesaf. Felly diolch i bawb fan hyn, diolch yn fawr. Da iawn. A tu ôl fi fan hyn. Da iawn. Good. Noswaith dda.